In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create action items with ClickUp AI. By the end, you'll know how to turn messy notes into clear, trackable to-dos without overthinking the process. Start by signing into your ClickUp workspace and opening the place where your ideas live. This could be a task you're already working on, a doc with meeting notes, or a dedicated notes page. The key is to keep everything in one spot, so the AI has the right context and you don't lose anything important. Once you're in the editor, look for the AI icon in the toolbar. Click it, then choose Create Action Items. You can also type a prompt like, "Generate action items from this text," if you prefer. If you're new to ClickUp or want the desktop or mobile app, there's a link at the top of the description to get started on the website or download the app. That way you can follow along and try this feature right away. Now give the AI the context it needs. Paste or write the relevant notes, project summary, or quick bulletless rundown of what was discussed. Be as specific as you can. Include priorities, rough deadlines, and who's responsible where it makes sense. The clearer your input, the sharper the output. If a decision was made in a meeting, note that. If something is blocked by another task, say so. When the suggestions appear, review them carefully. You're looking for action items that are clear, actionable, and relevant to your goal. Each one should start with a strong verb and have a clear outcome. Remove anything that's off topic, merge duplicates, and adjust the scope if an item feels too big. Consider splitting it into smaller actions later if needed. After that, apply the suggestions. Insert the action items back into your task, doc, or a list where you manage work. Assign each item to the right person and set due dates so nothing slips. If your workspace uses priorities or custom fields, add those now to make tracking easier and more transparent for the team. Finally, polish the details. Refine wording for clarity, add any missing deadlines or dependencies, and link to related tasks or docs so context is always at hand. A few minutes of cleanup here makes execution much smoother and reduces back and forth later. That's it. You've turned raw notes into a structured plan using ClickUp AI. If this helped, try it on your next meeting recap or project brief, and watch how much faster your team moves. Thanks for watching.